welcome back to my channel. I am back with another interesting video for you all. So let's start. Imagine you are flying in a sky without wings. Sounds impossible, right? But in today's story, a tortoise did this same with the help of the two geese. Let's find out how did a tortoise did this through a story. And the name of the story is The Tortoise and the Geese. So let's start. Once upon a time there was a tortoise who lived with his two friends in a pond. And the two friends were the geese. But one day, the river and the tanks started drying up, and the geese were not able to live. So they decided to fly to another place where their friends had told him. So before leaving the place, they decided to go to the tortoise and say bye to him. So the geese went and said bye to him, that we are leaving this place and going to another place where there is plenty of food and water. But the tortoise didn't like this. He said that please don't leave me alone. I also want to come with you. But the geese told him that sorry, we can't take you because you cannot fly. How can we take you? But the tortoise again pleaded that please take me. I also want to come with you. But then the geese decided to take him along with him. But before taking, the geese told the tortoise that I have a plan, but you have to follow few instructions. The instructions were that we'll take you on a stake and you have to hold it with your jaws. And when we take you, you don't have to speak. If you speak, then you will fall and you will die. So you have to promise us that you will not speak and remain quiet the whole journey. The tortoise agreed and he promised them that I'll stay quiet. I'll not say a word for the whole journey. Then the geese brought a stick and they hold the stick from the two ends from their beak, and the tortoise hold it from the middle. And then the geese flew high in the sky and they went over the village. And when they were flying, the people from down saw that, and the people started shouting, look how wonderful it is. The geese are taking the tortoise. But when the tortoise heard, he didn't feel good about it. He's sad and angry. Why are the people staring at me? Why are they saying all this? As soon as the tortoise spoke up, he fell into the ground. He forgot to remain quiet. And when he spoke up, he fell. So we should always follow the instructions and the advice what others gives to us. The tortoise didn't listen to the instruction, didn't follow the instruction, and he opened his mouth and instantly he fell on the ground. So we should always have self-control in us and have patience also with it. And we should also have patience, which is very important. And sometimes staying quiet also saves us from great trouble. Okay? So thank you everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed this story session with me as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you next time. Bye.